Okay, so this is part 3 of this series. I guess we'll call it a series. I didn't expect to make more than one video, but so if you watched the last video, we kind of left off where air was escaping from here. You could see it while I was sitting in the driver's seat. The air was blowing pretty good. It was warm. It was like it felt nice. I mean, it's cool out here, so you know, obviously the heater feels good in there, but that's besides the point. So heater's working. It's blowing hot air, which is good, because obviously if it's not, or if it's blowing hot air and your gauge for your temperature is rising, then you got air in the system. Anyway, so that was where we left off. So what I'm gonna do now is we've let the vehicle sit. I've let it sit for about 30 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this stopper, this plug stopper, and I'm gonna, and this is dirty, but I'm gonna end up cleaning it out. Anyway, so we'll put it in there. See if we can see it when it gets. There you go. All right. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back over here to the bleeder. Now be very careful with this. This is why you want to wait at least 30 minutes, because it still might be under pressure. Let me focus in there. So it still might be under pressure, so just open it slowly. Just take your time. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna open this, and again, it might be under pressure, so just be very careful. All right, looks like it's off. So what we're gonna do here is obviously remove the cap here. Don't drop it. It looks pretty good right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna release the stopper. And once water starts pouring out from here, then I'm gonna plug it. I'm gonna plug the stopper over here. All right, so let me release the yellow stopper over here in the funnel, and once water comes out of here, right there, then I'm plugging it. All right, so I plugged it. All right, at this point, it looks like the system is good. Now this water might be hot, so just be careful when you're putting this thing back in there. Just start it, hand tight, and then you finish it off with the screwdriver. Right there. Should be good. All right, at this point, what we're gonna do is, I think we're good. You can remove the stopper and do the process again, which, well, shit, since I got you all here, let's go ahead and do that. So let's remove the stopper. As you can see, there's no bubbles, so that means there isn't any air. However, let's go inside the vehicle, let's start it up, let's put the heater on, and then we'll see if there's any bubbles. If you don't see any bubbles, then we're good. Let's try it out. All right, I'm about to start the vehicle. Here's the temperature. There's the funnel. I have the heater off. I'll put it on right now. But before I put it on, let me focus on the funnel so we can see if any air is gonna escape. I'm trying to get a good angle. All right, so let's go ahead and turn the heater on and let's see what it does. Heater is on. And so far, I don't see any bubbles, so that's good. That's what you want. I'm gonna rev it up to about 3,000 RPMs for about 10 seconds. And then that's it. I'm gonna say it's good. So let's rev it up for about 10 seconds at 3,000 RPMs with the heater on. And there you have it. The heater is blowing nice and hot. Temperature is awesome. It's holding its temperature, which is what you want. So that means everything's working the way it should. So what you'll do at this point is, since it still has fluid there, the funnel, what you're gonna do is you're gonna use that yellow stopper. So you're gonna go out there right now, or I'm gonna go out there right now. I'm gonna place the yellow stopper in that funnel, and then I'll remove the funnel, obviously with the stopper, and then none of that liquid will pour out because you have the yellow stopper in there. And that's how you use that funnel. And then you just place your cap on the radiator and you're good to go. So again, I didn't mean to make 3 videos on how to bleed a 2007 Nissan 350Z, but hey, the information is there. If I can do it, you guys can do it. All right, so as always, Z's are better than G's. You got to save the best for last. Thanks for watching.